In Excel, you can create a dynamic display of text and data by linking it to a shape and by using text boxes. Before I start adding and linking KPIs from the Data tab to the dashboard, I like to open a new Excel window. That way I can easily switch between the two tabs side by side while linking data. To link data to a shape, select the shape, click into the formula bar, and type an equal sign. Then click on the data point you want to link to, for example, the company name. To format the text in the shape, keep it selected and use the home menu just like formatting regular text. I will adjust the font, increase the size, and make it bold to make it prominent. Now I'm ready to link my first dynamic summary KPI from the Data tab, the total sales in 2025. However, when I link to the combined title and number into the shape, I have to keep the same formatting for both. That may be hard with longer titles and doesn't let me set different formatting for the number. To fix that, I will separate the title and the number, but still keep both dynamic. First, I will link the KPI title total sales to my shape and format it. If I want to add another piece of data or text, I will need to insert a text box and link it the same way. For the number, I will increase the font size to 18 points and make it bold. If you want to keep separate formatting for your linked text and data, you need to keep them separate. Now, I want to create a few more text boxes on my large rectangle here and go over a few issues you may run into when linking text and data to a shape. First, when you place a text box on your shape and try to link it to a dynamic text or a number, make sure you do not type the equal sign inside the text box because it will not work. Put the equal sign in the formula bar, then link it to your text or data. To copy the text box, press the Option key on Mac or the Control key on PC while dragging. Then I will link it to my data point, which is the average price per unit here. To copy the formatting, select another text box with the formatting you want. Then use the Format Painter and apply it to your text box. If that does not work, make sure you select the border of the text box and not click inside the text box. Then use the Format Painter. You can change the fill of your text box or the font color. Text boxes are treated similarly to shapes, and many of the options from shape format are available, such as aligning two different text boxes and grouping them so they move as one unit. If you make a copy of a unit, you need to ungroup it by right-clicking and selecting Ungroup in order to link it to a new data. Once you link to new text or data, you will lose the formatting and need to copy the formatting again from one single text box. You cannot copy formatting from two text boxes to another set of text boxes. Also notice that if you remove a text box link to your dynamic text or data by deleting the equal sign and the link in the formula bar, the text or number remains as a static data. So if you want to completely remove it, you have to click inside the text box and delete the static info there also. Finally, you can also use the shape alignment options between two text box units. Thanks so much for watching.